So I'm here in my garden in Arkansas, and I am now getting some really big squash now. Look at this. There's um, some of these zucchini squash. Even has some zucchini already. Let me see. Uh, I think I see some zucchini already. So anyway, um, so windy today, so I thought I'd share this time in my garden. I finally finished putting some plants all the way around, some flowering plants all the way around my garden. Still need a little border, but I put some flowering plants there. And this is the little trellis that the teachers, Filipino teachers in the Delta, Leslie and Girly, Myrna and company and the family helped me make. So this is the inside of it, and this is the back of it. So the outside has like some flowering plants there, you can see, and they're now growing. The plants are growing really well, so I'm proud of that. I may have messed up and put some fertilizer, some of them too close to the plants, that some may have burnt, but I may have to replant some things, but you learn. I was told yesterday by Rose that during Mahjong that you're supposed to put fertilizer about 2 weeks before you plant. Well, that's news to me because I've always done it like as I was planting or later. So next year I'll try to do that. But anyway, so these are the size of my plants right now. These are some of the plants outside. You can see I even have some little roses there. Anyway, so what a great day here in Arkansas, and I am just sharing the beauty of Arkansas and it's how wonderful it is to garden. So this is Marlena from Arkansas, a retired teacher and administrator.